Luke and Venus here, Uncharted Destinations, Kirkham, Hotsprings. Well worth the drive. Again, we've had this all to ourselves. Nobody here. Got this epic waterfall behind us.
Oh, look at this. There's a pool in here.
Oh.
See?
Let's go check it out. Might be real hard.
Yeah, right? Try it, honey. Taste. Yeah. Yeah. Touch it. Nice?
It's like a jacuzzi.
Ooh. And look at
Look at there. Good, babe. Oh my goodness. Uncharted Destinations, Kirkham Hot Springs. I'm leaving my shirt on because I got a nice little tan, little burn yesterday at Gold Bug. And now we're gonna go up and find a nice camp spot and get dinner cooking. Hey babe, what do you want? Ah. We found this really cool spot just about 12 miles up from Kirkham Hot Springs, right on the river. So we got ribs marinating, we got a fire going, we're gonna cook them on the fire. We got our camp set up, got a few clouds coming in, so had a few sprinkles earlier, so we put up our little awning here just in case we get some showers. We'll still be dry. Super cool spot. Only ones here.
Super.
Is it cold?
Not so cool.
That's crazy. All right, we got this whole beach, this whole spot all to ourselves. We're gonna get up and get camp set up, get cooking an epic dinner, get some firewood, and just enjoy.
Your phone has no data connection.
All right. So she's cooking some really good gravy.
Mushroom gravy.
She's cooking some really good mushroom gravy, mashed potatoes. We got some ribs cooking over here. What's in the caldera, hun? What's in the caldera? Buttered asparagus. And we got some marinated ribs cooking. Ooh! Oh man. Super nice. So we're slow cooking them ribs. Nice little camp set up right on the river. It's got an epic little sandbar down there as well, a beach. Little cliff jumping spot here for summertime. Off of Highway 21, about, I don't know, 9 miles or so, maybe before Kirkham Hotsprings. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm using pine cones. We put them under there, they start smoldering, and as soon as they catch flame, we'll move them out, let them burn off for a minute, and then put them back under, and they're really good coals. Flavor too. Good. Yeah, gotcha. Oh, wow. So there we have it.
All of us.
Barbecue ribs. Here. Okay. You sit right here. There we go. We got some epic barbecue ribs.
You did this one?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you. How about you?
I got one too. Really good. Oh, this is gonna be epic. Hi, Favor.
Morning. Luke is making breakfast, and there's a white car parked behind it, just right now, behind us.
Got coffee almost done. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna get stuff rolled up and continue through Boise and back towards Oregon. Either hit up the Outlaw Desert area or Prineville. We'll see. In the Okeechobee. Mm-hmm. Yes. Let me lock it. Okay, you want to go in the middle by the gold painting? Is there rocks and stuff in there?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Okay.
All right, so we're here in Idaho at the Seasons restaurant, known for its famous burgers. And after sinking my teeth into this epic mushroom Swiss burger, it is the best I have ever tasted, hands down. Just super cool. It's a little mining town apparently. Lots of gold panning around here. Excellent food. If you ever make your way into Idaho, stop by Seasons. Definitely amazing. Like, you have no idea. I'm so gonna eat this, all of it. Try their special sauce.